how have you been? And you seem to be inspiring us during this lockdown, whether it's training with you, whether it's eating like you. It's just been amazing.
I'm glad.
मेरे को लग रहा आप किसी गांव में हो, मगर आप हो कहाँ?
So I was in the south of India and I've just come back to Bombay. I've come back home and I had a great trip because I got stuck over there and I just realized the best thing is to make the best out of it. So बहुत आनंदमय समय रहा and I came very happy and I'm still in a very good zone.
You know, it's amazing because ये जो 60 दिन है, it's taken a toll on people. Everybody's like, ये क्या हो गया है? You know, there's mental health, eating is going. You've been like, वो क्या कहते हैं ना, breaking those myths, saying that you should not be living like this. So tell us a bit about what was the idea behind it.
Honestly, what happens is when you are not trained for something, like we haven't been trained to be locked down ever. This has never been a part of any curriculum of our lives. But some people get lucky because they just know how to go within themselves or they just know how to find new things. I think I'm one of the blessed ones, but I have a lot of people who have figured really went within themselves. So with me, because I had the opportunity to spend more time with myself or more time with the people I really love, who maybe really deserved it, and we just couldn't spare it. So life has put us in a place like this, and we just need to realize the fact that it could be one of the best times because we are a part of history. And when we look back into history and when we talk about it, we should really talk about happy moments. It is a very difficult time. It's not easy to just sit at home, but there are so many things that we need to do, we need to fulfill in our lives personally. So I think this is a good time to do that.
I was actually amazed seeing you pulling that cart manually. I know it's your training, your martial arts training, color repite kaya aapne, but how?
No, the only answer to how I have realized in life, when people ask me, Vidyut, how do you do this? How did you climb that? How did you do this? Just start. The moment you start, it starts. Get a thought and you say, I want to do it. Your body or your mind or your spirit will make you. And it sounds very philosophical, but that is the truth. Like anything you can do easily, people will say, oh my God. And what they do easily, and when we compliment them, they're like, no, it's just a regular thing. Some things some people can do easily. Others need to work a bit hard.
But यार सच में बता, how do you master your mind? मैं बहुत पढ़ती हूँ, you can control your mind. Mind is a monkey. For a person like me who has an overthinking की problem, मेरे जैसे बहुत होंगे. एक क्या टिप दोगे आप?
मैं honestly ये टिप दूंगा कि जिनको overthinking की advantage है, उसको उस advantage को समझना चाहिए और ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि overthinking की problem है. I know people who just can't think. I know people who are just like still like a rock. I'm not saying that's the best thing. I'm saying the best thing is what you already have. If you can overthink, that means you have an ability. Make your brain reach in different paths. We just need to construct a direction. So when I do these when I was on social media doing bone breathing, prana breathing, lungs and kidney breathing, I was explaining people the ancient art of color spirit. We should just acknowledge the fact कि ये है और अब इसका बेस्ट इस्तेमाल करेंगे. सवाल का जवाब, overthinking is a great thing. Utilize it. Please think even further. Please think beyond the future. Please think what you've already achieved and what you want to. Use it.
Awesome. And also talking about diet, it was really nice to see somebody with a physique like yours who says I'm vegetarian. Because मैं personally आपको बताती हूँ, मैं जिम जाती हूँ तो मेरा ट्रेनर कहता है, अरे चिकन नहीं खाओगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. Then no sugar challenge. Don't have bread. Don't have milk. I have been through it all. I mean, Vidyut, I'm a serial dieter, but I work out like a beast. आप बताओ क्या करेगा? मेरे जैसे बहुत होंगे.
समस्या ये है कि पहली वेजिटेरियन जो आपने जिक्र किया, एक हिरन, एक घोड़ा, एक हाथी, ये सब वेजिटेरियन है. They all have different abilities. You can see the strength, you can see the agility, and you can see the muscularity, right? So vegetarian होके आप ये सब बन सकते हैं. पहली बात है, ये myth है कि नहीं बन सकते हैं. Honestly, diet is very good, and I see trainers. I did a special program on my social media. Pooja, I would like you to watch it, where I taught people who can just not do a push-up. Like they think push-up करना बहुत मुश्किल काम है. Like, and I have a very few close friends of mine who think like push-up, you need this strength, you need that strength. strength. Now the thing is, the trainers, they've been doing it for like 20 years, 15 years. So when you go to the gym and they say, sir, come on, you can do it. Ma'am, you can do it. You can do it, but it takes a lot of intelligence behind it, not only number of years. So these guys have spent a lot of number of years doing push-ups. So I did a push-up special where I can teach you a push-up in one day. You just need to know what part of your body needs to be activated. Going back to the diet, please get off these diets. If you want instant results, like 3 months, I want to lose 6 kilos, do it. But if you find what you really, अगर आपको पता लग जाए ना आपके शरीर को क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं पसंद है, you don't need to be on a diet because you cannot be on a diet all your life. But if you want instant results, like if you're like 60 kilos, if you're 60 kilos and you want to be 50 kilos, instantly go on a diet. If you're getting married, like that. But if you want it for the long run, every vegetable that you want to, see what your body's telling you. Does it work on you or not? Don't listen to your trainers. They don't live with you. You live with yourself. They don't know anything about you. They don't know the stress people go through. They don't know the anxiety that people have. So they just give you a diet. सब लोग यही खाओ पतले हो जाओगे. सबका शरीर और सबका दिमाग अलग है.
Which is true. और एक और बात मैं हमेशा आपसे पूछना चाहती थी. Last time we spoke, you told me you come from a Fauji background like the way I do. I see you doing movies like Commando. Army क्यों नहीं join की? Army क्यों नहीं join की? ऐसे लगता actor कैसे बन गए?
So मैं आपको पहली बात याद दिलाऊं, आपने मुझसे पिछली बार भी ये सवाल पूछा था और मैंने तब भी जवाब दिया था. अब देखिए, आर्मी को रिप्रेजेंट करने के हजारों तरीके हैं. एक तो आप बॉर्डर पे रहें, एक आप ऑफ बॉर्डर रहें, सिर्फ इंस्ट्रक्शंस दें. मैं अपने देश की आर्मी को ऐसा रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहता था कि कमांडो सब कुछ कर सकता है. And I'm fortunate to be a part of a movie like this, and it has a bigger range. When I meet people at the airports, they say, "Sir, I'm a commando because I watched the movie Commando." People believe an Indian commando can do very well. I represented them in a different way. I'm in the army.
Of course, we need ambassadors like you. So, but honestly, Vidyut, what's that one big takeaway from the lockdown that you are going to take, and one thing that you're going to leave behind?
There are a lot of things, honestly, a lot of things, and I'm very clear about them. But a takeaway is that I've really enjoyed watching people genuinely being concerned about others. This is the first time I've seen everybody in harmony. Like, there's nobody who wants to be infected or wants somebody else to be infected. It's a universal thing. It's so good. I've felt so much love. If you see it from that perspective, you'll see so much goodness happening here. Everybody's come out in some way or to help people. I love that. What I don't want to look back in the future and think about, there's nothing. It's been a great moment. We are a part of history. I will reminisce every part of it and I will enjoy it. It's cool.
So now we also have Commando 4 to look forward to. कि shooting चालू हुई है कि अभी होगी इसके बाद?
नहीं, अभी तो मैंने हाल ही में खुदा हाफिज करके फिल्म है जिसको खत्म किया है. And everything is done. Now we need to just edit it, dub it and release it. Commando 4 is on the scripting phase. So I'm quite excited with the way things are.
And do you think post-COVID, it's going to impact our narratives in films? Because life as we knew it before COVID and life as we know now after COVID are two different things, and cinema always reflects what's happening.
I don't know what will happen, but I hope the narratives change. We've lived with these narratives for a lot of years now. If the universe is changing, we should also change every perspective of ours. Keeping a lot of things integrated from the past, but narratives, why not? Let's look into the new world because we will be a part of it.
Which is true. Anyways, thank you so much. Lovely speaking to you. And as I say, everybody should follow you on social media because it's feel good. And we need these vibes in this time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vidyut. Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Yeah, you too. Thank you so much. Bye.